Yeah.
Bloopers.
Action. It's a selfie stick!
Oh!
We're cool! Where's my
I have one apprentice too many. Okay, hold.
Sorry, I was referring to its limitless power and the one blade to control it all.
Shit.
I nudged the camera!
No!
I don't know why I'm still recording!
And yes, when people, their hearts don't really go there when they die, and what?
Hold. Go!
I don't know what I say now.
Alright. So be sure to be there. Be prompt. Bye. These.
Be gone! Be gone!
We got that on film.
Was that a kickflip by First Love?
Yeah. Okay, alright, we're good. Okay. Be gone. Okay.
Look at that. It's almost all of us.
Almost.
And now,
The clown has arrived.
honk honk, bitch. Honk my titty!
Gay clown. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Fucking say gay clown, right? Fucking walked up.
Wait, what happened?
I think he'll kill you first.
What happened?
Tell me everything. Honk honk happened.
You made her cry, you.
Oh, Jesus.
The man's wearing a sleep
You
stick.
take my keyblade, make it a swear.
Take my
Whoa.
make it, I swear.
You're scarred for
Thank you.
But Daddy, I love him.
Welcome to the Master's Chamber. How can I be of assistance today?
Welcome to Chili's.
Can we?
Listen, Luxu just put his hands on me without consent.
Don't touch the butt.
Listen, I was touched inappropriately.
What happens in this tower stays in the tower.
Oh. Okay. Dead.
I'm still alive.
I love
This is not how we keep actors alive.
No, this
There's
is.
nothing in the contract.
This is the Velociraptors! They're getting to him!
Okay.
What did you do?
I did too
I
much.
killed them all. My Rossa Lapanapadovos.
No.
My Rossa Hapadapana killed them all. It's contagious. You get stuck with the Velociraptor needle, and then it comes into your blood, and then somehow your blood flies out, and then it gets in the air, and then oh no, are they coming back?
Oh man.
Daddy.
I have another door. To light.
What?
And then you'll slowly pan across from Gula to Invi. Gula boy. Alright.
You fucked up.
All
We
welcome,
needed to
Master
do one
Invi.
more.
Traitors!
Ulvair, what are you doing?
God, why am I making this so sexual? This is Book of Dawn. This is TG.
Book of Dawn! The After Dark!
Yeah. You go, guys. I believe in you. You really rock. Look at you. Your unions. What do I get? Fucking black coat. Nothing. Get fucking nothing, man. Ava. Look at you. You and your... I didn't see the light. And I... How do we fuck up a handshake?
By not starting at the same time.
Alright, 3, 2, shake. Okay.
Bloopers? So, about the Masters coming forward.
Don't look at me. This scene, and I'm supposed to run all the way around this long ass ledge over here. Yeah, this entire ledge. I have to run around it and show up right here, all during the course of this line. Let's do it again.
I don't know though.
That's cool.
A little bit higher than anticipated, but we're good.
How did it
Totally
look?
didn't blister my feet.
Bro, where the fuck am I gonna lay down? What?
Can you?
No.
If I move over, will I be in shot?
Okay, so get back. We're gonna stay right there, and we're gonna stay right here. And oops, and oh,
And
and
what are we doing?
we're just looking pretty. Oh, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna. Oh, is my nipple out? Is my nippy nip? Nip out, nip, 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 nope, nip, nope, nope, nope. Okay. So just like vogue to the sky. Oh, I got it. Vogue to the sky. And look out.
Alrighty.
So vogue. All right. 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I hope it looks good. God, I don't want to redo this.
Wow.